Or you can sign up for the popcorn dimension. And if you wanted to go.
Hello Internet. Today we are back at Meow location number 2, Radio Tave. We're gonna try to explore and find some more lore. Look at that. Diet Cola. Sounds like a certain person I know. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Nice documents.
Everything you just said shows me that you're this is hard work and I'm part of this group. Thanks to we're leaving, that means a lot coming from you. I want you to do your stand up for you.
Okay, how about
Radio station.
Yeah, that's a great idea. This is True Grind here on ETL Eternal Radio. Your home station.
The break room. So, letter from the manager.
You can't hear me.
The glasses we hold them.
See, I've spent the last several weeks investigating. Yesterday after lunch, I went to the break room to clean my bento in the sink.
So I predict that this would take place around the 70s or the 80s, as we can tell from most exhibits, like the whole exhibit.
Defensively half submerged in water.
It's Aaron.
Now,
So let's take a look at the pictures that they have up here.
no.
It's Felix,
Let me paint you a picture.
Robin.
Above the sink are cabinets. On those cabinets are a few encouraging notes, including one with a hand-drawn cat that says, "Let's keep this kitchen clean together." Signed.
Let's go inside.
The note signed. Sounds like the
This one's,
person who wrote this.
holy crap, guys. Get this all to ourselves. Look at that. We'll check that out in a bit. Let's go ahead and look inside our Tave area. Alright. Someone left it. They didn't follow the rules. No food and drink. Alright. Let's check it out. Alright. Hello, hello. Hello. Look at this. Hello. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Vegas Theory.
Lo.
Beep. Beep. Look at this. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Vegas Theory. Dot. Look at that. Some like. Yo, it said the thing. It said the thing, guys. Okay, we're checking out the lore.
The dangerous
Let's check it out.
You are not.
Obviously, it's how many? Let's see.
Push the button.
Dad.
Bro just dissipated. He dissipated!
Daddy, don't press the
Let's check out my photos.
This could be something. What if we should leave that?
My photos. Okay, here we go. So we can tell these are people that have worked. These are their co-workers. We can tell him that's obviously a worker. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What's happening?
Went to the food store and got one of those stupid deals. All of this
Like illusion.
There's some of those werewolves. So as we can tell, these are like Martinez, yo. I don't know if I should go in there, guys. Look at that. Alright, now we're gonna go and check the break room. Wait, let's look for some. Look at this.
See, some time ago, we had a potluck and I made my famous
Holy
spinach
crud.
objective, and of course,
Look at this.
except
What the fudge?
for
Let's just close that.
activities. When I asked her about the dip, she told me something that has been echoing in my mind for the past minute.
Wait, do you
Isabella
want to go to
said
the
she hates
bathroom
how
or the...
arbitrary streaks in her mouth.
Alright, let's keep looking, guys.
Purely
Alright, we're in the lobby now.
She thought it was safe one. Ben was too grossed out to finish the job.
Alright.
Now, there's no other good
Yeah.
correction, so listeners, I have to take this investigation.
Look at this
further
compost.
by my own hands, be the voice
This is
of
our
those.
falls. We see the cliff.
And whoever this is Adora. Coming for you.
Alright, the break room now. Alright. Oh my god. It's going inside of the.
Go open that door for me. Go to the-
Oh wow. I don't want to touch that.
Mimi?
Okay, it's locked.
Hold on.
Oh whoa.
Mimi?
Look at that. Okay. Once again, no Omega Mart references. I'm surprised. Holy fudge. Yeah, we're not going in there right
No,
now.
this one too.
No, that one's just a close one.
I'm already checked in there.
Look, Omega Mart reference, Omega Mart reference, Omega Mart reference. We were just there. Oh my gosh, the gut monkeys. That's Omega Mart.
Where are you kidding?
He's here, it's Omega Pet. He's here, guys. Gender fluid! Oh my god. Roast beef! Guys. Oh my god, it doesn't matter where you're at. He is here.
This one.
He looks like Ryan Gosling. Oh, it just gets weirder.
I haven't touched it.
Look at that. Wow, theorists. How cool is this?
Oh, it's a nice.
Hey man, we found some other spots to go into.
Chess pieces. Someone was playing chess. Oh no, it's butt. Whoa. Oh, Mega Mart, how I miss you. Look at this. It's an all gender restroom. Let's go.
Look at this.
Whoa. I'm going blind. Holy shit. Look at that. Now I have a theory. They say no food. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, we're looking in more cabinets because I forgot. Ooh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Yo.
Where did we get the glasses?
Oh, the entrance? They gave them to us.
Look,
You ready to ask one?
it's a water bear.
They just gave them.
Okay, theorists, let's keep looking. Look at this place. Take a look. Oh, wait. Oh my god. What the fudge? They got the creature. Alright, we're going to this area. This is where it happens. Holy crud. Look at them. Can you speak, kind sir? Can you speak? Look at him. Oh, whoa, look at these guys. I saw them on my Instagram story. Look, there's more over there. Okay, look, there's like things on the ground too we can mess with, but look. Oh, this is sick.